Alrighty, I'm going to do a simple interest problem here with you. Don't forget the formula. Interest equals principal times the rate times the time. Your principal is the original amount, rate is the percent turned into a decimal, and time is measured in years. Okay, reading the question. You borrowed $3,000 from your bank to buy a new Ford truck. Remember here, keyword is borrow. You took money from somebody and it's not yours. The interest rate is 5%. Remember, our rate is a decimal, so that's going to be 0.05, don't forget. And it says, how much interest do you owe the bank on your borrowed money if you borrow the money for 1 year? So remember, we need time to be measured in years. It's in years, so we can work with that. All right, so let's go ahead and start solving this. Remember, I like to always restate my formula, so I'm just going to write it again. I equals P dot R dot T. All right. I equals principal, aka 3,000, times our rate, remember at 0.05, times 1 year. This could be in months sometimes as well. We'll talk about different ways on how to do problems that are in months. All right, so now we just grab our calculators and multiply these three numbers together. 3,000 times 0.05 times 1 is 150. So that means the interest on our $3,000 is 150. All right, so we calculated that 5% of 3,000 for 1 year is 150. So that's interest. Now I have another question for you. How much do you owe the bank if you had to pay everything back all together at once? So remember, you borrowed money. So the 3,000 does not belong to you. So you owe them that. And for them lending you the money, you owe them $150 for the year. You add up what you owe in both borrowed money and interest for a final total of $3,150. So you owe the bank $3,150.